Are you curious about Electron and Flutter? Both are popular tools for building apps, but they serve different purposes. In this video, we'll compare Electron and Flutter to help you decide which one is right for you. Both Electron and Flutter allow developers to create applications, but they focus on different platforms. Electron is great for desktop apps, while Flutter is designed for mobile and web applications. Let's start with Electron. It uses web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This makes it easy for web developers to create cross platform desktop apps. You can build apps for Windows, Mac, and Linux using the same codebase. Many popular apps like Visual Studio Code are built with Electron. Now, let's look at Flutter. Flutter is a UI toolkit created by Google. It uses the Dart programming language and allows developers to create beautiful apps for both iOS and Android. With Flutter, you can also build web apps. One of its strengths is the rich set of pre designed widgets that make it easy to create stunning interfaces. So, what are the key differences? Electron is focused on desktop apps, while Flutter is more versatile for mobile and web. Electron apps can feel heavy because they run in a browser environment, whereas Flutter apps are usually faster and more responsive. When it comes to features, Electron supports many libraries and frameworks from the web world. Flutter, on the other hand, offers a wide range of customizable widgets and excellent performance. In terms of pricing, both tools are free to use, but you may need to consider costs for additional services or tools depending on your project. So, who should choose what? If you want to create a desktop app quickly and easily, go with Electron. If you are looking to build beautiful mobile apps or web apps, Flutter is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.